So here I have a haircut that is kind of long already, so I'm going to do a taper cut in the widest areas. Today I wanted to show you how to get a haircut at home, and pretty easy, fun, and simple. And this is what I use. I use the Senior, Andis trimmer, and the peanuts ball. And this is what I have. I have the guard here. This is true. And the number 3 I like to use is the small one, which is this one right here. That's a number 1 right here. So this is what I have for my tool for getting haircuts at home. All right, let's go right into it. So I'm gonna start out with number 3 right here. Just gonna go over real quick. Just kind of goes up, and I use number 2 afterward. And I can leave number 2. After that, I'm going to use this guard, which is this one is 3/16. So I like this guard a lot. This is one of my favorites. I'm gonna go straight with 0. This is a 0 bar all the way to 0. Gonna go right there. And then after that, I use number 1. Just kind of go right there. Land it in this way. Perfect. There we go. So that's what you I'm going to use this the smallest guy roll cards, smaller one. This is half. These here. So your face until you see that the lines is kind of gone, okay? And from time to time go back with number 1 just to make sure that it's blended like that. Okay. I'm using this comb to clip over comb. So take out some of the excess out here. So what you do is you bring this one up like this, like that. Just kind of get all the There you go. Let's start with cutting some of this off. I was using this one. Oh man, that is great. So that wrap up the haircut.